Solar panels in fields, solar panels on rooftops, solar panels even floating on lakes. But did you ever think about solar panels on India's railway tracks? Welcome to episode 3 of India You Might Have Missed. And today we are talking about the innovation that is happening literally under our feet. Imagine the empty space between two railway tracks, usually just gravel and dust, essential for safety yet unexplored as a resource. Now imagine that space generating electricity. That is exactly what is being done in Varanasi and Ghaziabad. In Varanasi, Indian Railways tested the country's first removable solar panel system, installed in the inter-track space between railway lines. The 70-meter pilot project features 28 solar panels generating up to 15 kilowatts of electricity. These panels are durable, efficient, and because they are removable, extremely maintenance-friendly. They can be lifted out during major maintenance, extreme weather, or future upgrades, allowing for seasonal and operational flexibility. And the best part? The installation of these panels does not require any land acquisition, as they are installed within existing railways infrastructure. Meanwhile, in Ghaziabad, the National Capital Region Transport Corporation has implemented an innovative solar on-track project at the Namo Bharat Depot in Duhai. Here too, the inter-track space is being turned into a power-generating asset, making it the first such initiative within a regional rail or metro system in India. The initiative is expected to generate about 17,500 kilowatt hours of energy annually, resulting in an estimated reduction of 16 tons of CO2 emission every year. So why does this matter? Because Indian Railways is among the largest railway networks in the world. While these are pilot projects, even partial adoption across the network could significantly increase the share of renewable energy without acquiring new land or disrupting operations. So next time you're waiting for a train, look down. India's clean energy future might already be powering up right beneath your feet.